Hey, welcome to another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply on Imperial manufacturing groups. So this company are basically participant in as an employer on New Brunswick critical worker pilot programs. So let's begin. We need to visit their website. So I already opened their website homepage, imperialgroup.ca. You can find here, and then you can find a career page here. Just click on the career. After clicking on the career, here you find opportunities options, so click the opportunities, and there you find Canada and USA. Which country did you want to apply? Just click on Canada. I'll just show you how to apply for Canada. So if you click for Canada, you came like this page, and they are opening this job right now: order entry specialist, change manager, account payable specialist. They are a short time opening job, and they got people when they found their best people for their company. So that's why they are lowest number of open job in this phase. So if you want to apply like a order entry specialist, is many people have fit for them, I think so. So just click on it. After clicking, you can find, unfortunately this company does not accept application from outside Canada. So how do we can apply for their company? So they are not accepting us, and they're not accepting us on their website. So just no need to worry about that, and just check that you are responsibilities for this job, what you need to do, and what the company want from you. If you think that you are the most fitted person for this job, you can apply from their HR mailing. I showed you how to mail them and how to apply for every job they are open right now. So after you checking all of the responsibilities, all of the experience they need, and then you just simply go their website homepage again. So we're right now in the homepage. Here you can saw the contact us options, right? Just click contact us, and then you find a option that you can directly apply to their HR, human resources persons and officer. He take your inquiry, he got your message, and he got your applications. So just here you can find contact us today, your first name, last name. You don't have any company name, phone number if you have, just type it there. Your mail, customer service, you have to select the career opportunities inquiry, and then you have to select an internationals. This is the main part, the message. You need to upload your CV on Google Drive or other website. There you can upload online on cloud, and then you have to put the link in this message. Or I think you got if when you applying a job, you have to write a cover letter, right? So with cover letter we are write for others company, we just take our cover letter to these options, right? We just make a PDF of cover letter, resume, which documents we have, and which experience, certificates, our education qualifications, everything. Just take upload on the Google Drive and take their public sharing link and put it in the message from your cover letters. So I think and I hope you understand that how to apply on Imperial group of company. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel for more video like this, and thank you again.